All right, so here's what we're doing today. What are we doing today, guys?
I don't know.
We're driving in the rain to Ventura.
To go see the air show.
Yes. We are going to load up in this car. We figure it is the best car to go over the grapevine that direction. We're going to pop through the storm and we're going to go see an air show. Now, the weather forecast says that it's supposed to, I guess, get okay later, but it could be light rain. But we're going to see the Blue Angels and who else? The Thunderbirds. The Thunderbird. Look at that shirt. Where's that shirt from?
El Toro 15 years ago.
Very nice.
Still the same bod.
Oh, yeah. All right. All right, we are walking into Point Mugu. We made it. It is a little wet out, but there's still people here. Show's still on. We're gonna check out the Blue Angels and the Thunderbirds for the first or third time in history flying together. You excited, Blair?
Yeah, I'm really excited. It's
Sweet.
gonna be fun.
We got Grandpa, Nate, and Reese back there coming with us. So hopefully they get in the sky. Hopefully the weather holds. Radar doesn't look good, but we drove 2 hours through the rain because we think it's gonna be worth it. Well, here we are. As you can see out over the air show, they have the Thunderbirds right here. And then over here, they have the Blue Angels. We're kind of far back from the front, but once they're in the sky, you'll see everything. But we set up shop here. These poor kids are gonna brave the rain. Dad, do you think they're gonna fly today?
Right now, no.
No?
But according to radar, no. I don't think so. Because it's packed up coming in off the coast.
Yeah, but all these people are here for a reason.
Well,
Look at this.
but they can easily go home for the same reason that we'll go home. It's raining, you know.
Yeah, but
They're being optimistic is what they're.
nice. All right, let's go walk around and see stuff. I believe that looking at an FA-18 fighter. Got a whole row of them here with different schemes.
Honestly, the close that it is.
You see this thing on the back? That's it just,
When it slaps the ground, doesn't that like bounce on the ground and
it does, it drags.
Okay. Finally realized that it was that.
Hey. Well, we're surviving. Yeah, they got good music going. It's really cool to be here and see like a bunch of American flags, and you see people wearing their patriotic gear. You know, this is America. And it's just neat to see because it feels like it's become cool to be un-American now, not be nationalist and not support our country. But you come here and you see people, man, there's so many of us. It's just special. It makes it feel good again about where we live. Like, we live in a country with freedoms that need to be respected. You know, all these people are here to watch this. They generally do. So, America. I believe this was a trainer. I honestly, Blair. Beautiful. Very, very unique plane. Well, that's where we're at. Oh, NASA's here. Oh, and look back there. Is that an old F-150 with the coyote? Gosh, that looks familiar. Man, it's a good looking truck.
Straight ahead, look at that. That's good. It's self-titled.
Look at that. Look at the tires on this thing. Oshkosh. Yeah, drone. Yeah, these are drones. Yeah. So an electric aircraft being charged by an F-150 Lightning. Check that out.
Yeah, it's not a very fast plane, but the point is to get you over the air.
Electric plane being charged by an F-150.
It's getting charged by this.
Isn't that cool?
Truck.
I want to see the truck. Look at this. Into the airplane. Wow. Look at the trailer right there. All right. This is F-150 goals right here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the wrap on it. I'm not going to touch it. City of Oxnard, California. Police.
Yeah, there you go. Popcorn's great.
Wow. Okay, American truck. That is F-150 goals right there. I bet it has a coyote. Look at that view. Yeah!
Direct your attention out here, flight at the end of the
Beauty. That is an all-lady crew flying over the national. That is awesome. All right, we got the Navy leapfrogs about to jump. Smoke is on. Man, I've never been to an air show in the rain. What a cool deal. That is straight overhead. We got jumpers. They are flying. Look at them go. Wow.
With the new flag, Next up, ladies and gentlemen, we have Party Officer Walt Hostar. Look at that.
Wow. All right, so here's the crowd. The rain's kept a lot of people away, but there's still some people here. You make it a heart.
So here he comes for his first strafing run. Got a bunch of 50 cals cannon in there. And he's got something for Tokyo Rose. He's still trying to take their runs on the airfield, but he's getting harassed by that zero. Looks like David's got a hit on him. He's showing smoke. He's like, hey, you know, short burst, short burst.
One of 5 Mitsubishi Zeros flying today.
Your camera's out, they'll come back again. Who flew F-16s for the Air Force before he came to us at the Commemorative Air Force. Here they go with the pass.
This is the Red Bull helicopter.
Projects that broke world records. He flies the UH-60 Blackhawks on firefighting contracts for the Forest Service as well. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, Aaron Fitzgerald, the Flying Bull.
Wow.
He can't do it.
Red Bull gives you wings. Wow, I can't even keep him in the focus. I love how the music's all relaxing. He's giving everybody a heart attack. Oh, wow.
Sounds like Soren.
One ready now. Canopy down, ready down.
Where's that? Dude, that was awesome.
Wow.
They're like both.
Side down, look at
Oh wow. Oh man, what do you think?
Oh, but it's going
I don't know.
Do it. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Look at all that water. Oh. Hey. That's a lot of water.
Oh,
Flying required Navy and Marine Corps aviators, while pilots 5 and 6 fly solos, demonstrating the maximum performance capability.
Clear for takeoff. Solos ready to rock Ventura County, boss. Clear for takeoff. Wind 2-5. That's a left crossway. Second pump to break up. Second trip set. Second nose. Go straight down. Transition. Peace. Sandy, top clears on 9. Let's fire. Let's perform the Mugu.
Yo, that's not even loud.
Ready, hit it.
and 6, all approaching the flight line at 400 miles per hour. The 8 miles per hour, the Blue Angel Echelon Parade.
Wow! Jeez!
Got ya!
The first one go this way.
I didn't see that one coming, but I saw that one coming.
Oh no.
Well, we just finished at what are we at again? Mugu? Point Mugu. We're at Point Mugu in Ventura County, and we just saw the Blue Angels and the Thunderbirds. And I have to say, not many people have seen them fly at the same air show. So, not that we're experts, but we can say back to back we saw them, and they're different. They're cool. I would say that the Thunderbirds are more quick and they're fast paced, whereas
Planes are more agile than the F-18 Hornets.
but the Blue Angels are more precise. Like they're closer. Like, there were a couple times we thought it was one plane, but they're two flying so close to each other. But just a little different vanilla, or chocolate vanilla. But now the mad rush is everybody is getting out of here and leaving, running for the parking lot. It's been a windy, rainy day, but they still did this show, which is really cool. So that's all. Hope you enjoyed the video.